In today's video, I'll show you on how you can unlock your Atome card. So if you haven't used your Atome card for quite some time, it will automatically lock it on the application. To unlock it, you want to head over to the Atome application, and simply inside, you then want to head over to the card options. Click on manage right below the card icon, and then it will take you to this page right here. You want to look for the view CVV and settings. It will be the last settings on the increased spending limit, pay bills, and more. And basically inside this page, we have the lock button right here. So if you click on the lock button, it will then lock the card, disabling us to use it on physical stores or online stores. But if you see the unlock button, this means that your card is locked and it will prompt you to unlock it after clicking the button. And so just click on the unlock button and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.